Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today I'm going to show you guys how to earn a full-time income in SMMA with zero experience, okay? Most of you guys have been in SMMA. Maybe you're thinking about joining the SMMA and you want to make a full-time income where you can replace your current income. If you're perhaps working a job, perhaps you're doing something other than SMMA and you want to just live a phenomenal lifestyle, but you want to do something that doesn't require your time. Well, SMMA is the perfect business, okay? When I first got started in social media marketing, started my social media marketing agency, rather, I worked part-time. I worked it part-time, but I got it up to where I was actually able to replace my income and fire my job. And simply put is I knew that, hey, you know what? All I needed was a handful of clients and I could kiss this job goodbye. And that's the beautiful thing about SMMA, okay? So we're just gonna go over some things that you should do to start earning income in SMMA, okay? Some activities. The number one problem that most people face is they don't know how to get clients, or they don't want to do the steps to get clients. You got to be willing to do the steps to get clients if you want to be successful in social media marketing, okay? So, like I stated before, how to go full time in SMMA, okay? Social media marketing agency, okay? The first thing we want to define is how much income do you need to go full time, okay? And I'm just going to say this. I know a lot of you guys want to make $10,000 a month, but let's face it, 98% of the people that are watching this have never made $10,000 a month. It's a good goal, okay? But that doesn't mean you need $10,000 a month to replace your income. So we're not even going to do $10,000 a month. I'm just going to say I'm going to say about 80% of you guys only need about $5,000 a month and you can get out of a dead-end job. That will replace most of you guys' income. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is in 30 days, okay? 30 days to replace your income. Okay? Simple. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Now, if you want to go more and all that, you can do that. But I want this to be real because I want to change your life with this simple illustration, okay? This stuff is real, okay? Like I said before, I'm living proof that if you are serious, you're sick and tired, you're fed up, and you get committed, okay, you can hit this goal, okay? It's simple. You can hit this goal, all right? So $5,000 a month. So if you want to make $5,000 a month, ladies and gentlemen, it's really simple. All you need, okay, is the clients, okay? How many clients times how much you're charging per month. And that's going to give you your magic number, okay? Your magic number of $5,000, okay? So, if we're charging the clients, all right, let's say $1,000, okay? We already know we need 5 clients paying us $1,000, and that equals what we're trying to hit to replace our income, okay? So that's pretty much all we need, ladies and gentlemen, to make $5,000 a month. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that, and I said no experience, if you were to get involved with Shopify, internet marketing, you have to go through a large learning curve, copywriting, emails, so forth and so on. You got to build a list, and you got to have a tribe and all type of stuff. You got to know copywriting. You got to find the products and the outsourcers and all the stuff. The beautiful thing about SMMA, all you need is a phone, okay, some leads, okay, and then you can find a outsourcer Okay. You can find an outsourcer and you ready to go. All right. And then you can meet in person. Okay. Or you can do a Zoom, or you could do over the phone, like I do sometimes over the phone. Okay. Now, if you do these two right here, you may need to get a presentation. If you guys want my presentation, click the link in the description. You can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. But these are all the things that you need. You just need a cell phone, leads. You can get leads on Yelp, okay, C-List, Google, okay, Facebook, LinkedIn, let's see, Bing. There's free leads everywhere, and most of this is just free stuff. These are all free leads, okay? So this all you need is the phone. You guys already know you can do your outreach through cold calling. You guys can, if you guys want to get the scripts and all that stuff, click the link in the description. You can sign up for my 4-step process and get the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, and then you guys can have all that. But nonetheless, you pick up the phone, contact the business owner, you get the free leads here, and then once you get a client, you just outsource it. Now, here's what I want to tell you, okay? In 30 days, this is exactly what you need to be doing. You need to be hitting the phone for 30 days straight, okay? And I'm gonna just put this up. You should be doing Monday through Saturday, all right? Plain and simple, Monday through Saturday. And you should be making calls for a minimum of 1 to 2 hours per day. And don't say, Maurice, I don't have the time and all that. Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about hitting 5Gs, quitting your job. You got to get serious and committed. And that's why a lot of you guys aren't making money, is because you're not commitment. Your commitment level and your priorities are not at the top. You say you want to make 5,000 and quit your job, but your actions say otherwise. So we got to get you up here where you're making calls Monday through Saturday. You should be booking a minimum of 1 to 2 appointments per day. Okay? And if you do that, ladies and gentlemen, that's 6 days. So you should be doing anywhere from 6 to 12 appointments a week. Okay? You should be doing that per week. Okay, out of that, you'll probably close about 20% of those. You know, so let's do the math on that. Let's say you do 6 appointments, okay? So let's say you do 6 appointments times 4. Okay, that gives you 24 times 20%. So that gives you about 5, and that's your goal right there, 5 SMMA clients at $1,000 a piece, okay? So you already hit your goal. Now watch this. If you really want to level this thing up and you do 12 appointments, and what are appointments? Where you talk to a prospect. You guys know my videos, and you get to send them some information and follow up, or, okay, you meet with them in person, okay, and you do a simple presentation and ask questions. Now, there is about 10 questions that I like to ask in the close. If you guys want that, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, and I'll show you how to close. My presentation's in there too that I email if you want to go the route of doing a Zoom or over the phone. You don't want to leave your home. But I recommend you start in your local area and meet in person. It's just so easy to close those individuals, okay? So anyway, if you do 12 times 4 in a month, that gives you 48 instead of the 6. That's going to give you 12 or 48 in a month. Okay, so if you do 48 in a month, ladies and 48 appointments times 20%, that's what most of your closing ratio, that's going to give you about 10, okay, SMMA clients. Now imagine doing 10 at 1,000. Imagine doing 10 at 1,000, okay? You're making $10,000 a month. So for those that want to go for 10K, your numbers, okay, need to be at 12 a week. Okay, so that is essentially 2 appointments a day, 6 days a week. And if you do this, ladies and gentlemen, the numbers don't lie. Okay, they say men and women do, but numbers don't. Okay, they don't. So if you play the ratios, okay, you can hit this number. $10,000. That means you're hitting the phone on a consistent basis. Some of you guys are in and out. You're breaking your momentum. Every time you quit, you keep starting and stopping. You're breaking big mo. We like to call momentum. And then when you mess your momentum up, ladies and gentlemen, you mess your flow up. You don't want to mess your flow up, because as you're building the skill of making calls, you're starting to get good. And every time you stop, ladies and gentlemen, you're stunting your growth. You don't want to stunt your growth. And that's what's going on. People are jumping into SMMA. Then they're jumping into drop shipping. And then they're jumping into internet marketing. Then they're doing Amazon FBA. They're doing all this different stuff, ladies and gentlemen. And they're not staying laser beam focused. You got to stay laser beam focused and keep your eyes on the prize. This should be 98% of you guys' goal, is to hit 5 G's so you can kiss your job goodbye, if that's what you want to do as far as replacing your 9 to 5. Because I found out, I said, hey man, you know what? I've been working for this warehouse for X amount of years. Okay, I'm only hitting this much. I get 2 checks a month. I need more than 2 checks a month. How many of you guys need more than 2 checks a month? The beautiful thing about SMMA, you can get paid monthly or weekly, sometimes daily if you want, some clients. So that's the power of doing SMMA and how to go full time. How do you go full time again, Maurice? First of all, you need a phone. Let's do a recap. You need some leads. You need to go to Fiverr, one of the sites. I did a video on it, or you can get the course. You need to find an outsourcer. You need to either meet in person, do a Zoom, or you can do it over the phone. You need to set up a schedule where you work Monday through Saturday, 1 to 2 hours a day. You got to work. A lot of you guys don't want to work. You got to work if you want to make money, okay? Okay, work equals money. No work, watch this, folks, no money, okay? And I got to put a sad face there. No work, no money. And this is what the masses are doing on YouTube. They're just watching YouTube videos, and they're not willing to pick up the phone. They're not willing to get a course. They're not willing to get a coach. So they're not making any money. But then you got people like myself, we're over here smiling. Why? Because we're making money. Why? Because we're putting in the work. So ladies and gentlemen, you got to put in the work. So you got to put in the work Monday through Saturday, 1 to 2 hours a day. And that's not enough. I would rather put in 1 to 2 hours for myself, okay, than to put in 8 hours for somebody else. And that's what you guys don't get. And let me ask you the question. What would you rather do? Dedicate 1 to 2 hours for yourself, or dedicate 8 hours for somebody else? Okay? That's what you guys got to think about. Then next, you just want to book 1 to 2 appointments a day. All right? You can do anywhere from 6 to 12 appointments a week. That's going to give you anywhere from 48 to 28 appointments. Okay? Depending on how hard you hitting it. And so you can have anywhere from 5 clients paying you $1,000 to 10 clients paying you $1,000 to 10. And that's just the base. You could charge more. You could charge a business $2,000, $2,500. It's up to you what you want to charge. You put the amount on what your fees are going to be. Okay. I know a lot of guys say $1,000. If you wanted to charge $500, you could charge $500. That is your SMMA agency. And if you want to get your beak wet, then you say, hey, you know what? I'm going to let him come in for $500 or $700 just to see how it is. Then do it. If you want to do a free trial, I do a lot of free trials. Do the free trial. You can prove the person in a couple of days, and they really pay you money. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. How to go full-time in SMMA is really simple. You just got to put in the work. There's no such thing as a free nut. There's no magical strategy that's really out there, because whatever strategy it is, you still got to work it. You still got to send the cold email. You still got to do the direct mail. You still got to do the Looms, the Zooms. You still got to do the Facebook outreach, because you guys want to do the Facebook outreach. You still got to put in the work. You still have to do it, all right? Whether it's cold calling, in my opinion, is the fastest way to get a client. It is the fastest way to go from zero to making $5,000 a month, ladies and gentlemen. Cold calling. Yes, you can send cold emails and, you know, Facebooks and the Looms and stuff like that, and the YouTube ads. All that stuff does work, okay? But it's nothing like me grabbing this phone like right now and just making calls. Why? Because it works. It works, okay? So folks, there you have it. Hope this video has been of immense value to you. If you liked it, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about going full-time in SMA with no experience. If you guys want help, you want my 4-step process, you want to work with me, and you're serious, you have money that you want to invest in yourself, you don't have time to hit your head, you guys can click the link in the description, sign up for one-on-one coaching. You can apply for it. And if you fit the bill, we'll help you get to where you want to go. And those that want to, hey, Maurice, I like this, I want to get out of my dead-end job, click the link in the description, sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro. The more you learn, the more you earn. And a lot of you guys don't want to learn, so you can't earn. So if you guys are serious, click the link in the description, pick up the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. If not, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.